Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with meaning and features of monopoly, price and output determination in short run as well as in long run under monopoly. Meaning of monopoly. The word monopoly is derived from two words mono, which means single, and poly, which means seller. Monopoly is a market situation in which there is only one seller of product who controls the entire market supply. Let us now deal with features of monopoly. The first feature is single seller. Monopoly is the market structure where only one seller is involved in business activities. Monopolist has full control over his business. The second feature is absence of competition. There is no competition for monopolist. The third feature is no close substitute for the product. Monopolist, being a single seller in market, does not face competition. Hence, there is no close substitute available for his product. Fourth feature is no distinction between firm and the industry. As industry consists single firm, there is no distinction between firm and industry in monopoly. Fifth feature is price maker. Monopolist is a price maker. Monopolist does price discrimination by charging various prices to different consumers. Sixth feature of monopoly is complete control. Monopolist has complete control over price and output, but at a time he can control either price or output, but not the both. Seventh feature of monopoly is downward sloping demand curve. Monopolist faces a downward sloping demand curve, implying that in order to sell more, the firm has to lower its price. Let us now deal with price and output determination in short run. In monopoly, both AR and MR curves have the same intercept, but slope of MR curve is twice the slope of the AR curve. Here, AR means average revenue, MR means marginal revenue. A monopolist may be earning profit or incurring losses in the short run. There may be several reasons why monopolist can make losses. One, he might have misjudged demand and cost in determining price, which cannot be adjusted in the short run. Two, the monopolist might have charged price less than cost to restrict the entry of rivals and thus incur losses in the short run. Equilibrium of the monopolist is attained when 1 MR is equal to MC, that is marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and 2, MC curve cuts MR curve from below. Marginal cost curve cuts MR curve from below. The equilibrium of monopolist firm, maximizing profit and minimizing loss, are shown with the help of the different figures in the next slides. Dear students, in this slide, I had shown price and output determination in short run, a case of maximizing profit by the firm under monopoly. In this figure, I had taken revenue and cost on the y-axis, units of output on the x-axis. We can observe that AR curve is downward sloping and MR curve is also downward sloping, but MR curve lie below the AR curve as explained earlier. Here in the diagram, E is the equilibrium point where it satisfies two conditions. One, MR is equal to MC, and 2, MC cuts MR curve from below. In this figure, we can observe that AC curve is below the AR curve, so that the firm is maximizing profit. PCBA area shows profit of the firm under monopoly in the short run. In this diagram, I had explained price and output determination in short run under monopoly in case of firm minimizing losses. Here we can observe that at E, the firm is under equilibrium where it is satisfying two conditions. One, MR is equal to MC, and 2, MC cuts MR curve from below. But the difference between this figure and previous figure is that we can observe AC curve is above the AR curve, so that the firm is facing losses. The loss faced by the firm is shown by the area C1, P1, A1, B1. Dear students, in this slide, I had explained price and output determination in long run under monopoly. In the long run, outside firm's entry is restricted due to the firm's control over scarce or strategic inputs, technology, patent rights, etc., and the firm will be able to retain its monopoly position. Profits persist in the long run. There will not be any losses to monopolist firm. Equilibrium of the monopolist is attained in the long run when two conditions are satisfied. One, MR is equal to MC, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and 2, MC curve cuts MR curve from below. The equilibrium of monopolist firm maximizing profit is shown in the next figure. This figure is similar to that of the figure that was shown in the short run where monopolist firm is maximizing profit. Here we can observe that at E, the firm is under equilibrium where it is satisfying two conditions of equilibrium. One, MR is equal to MC. 2. MC curve is cutting MR curve from below. We can observe AC curve below the AR curve so that profit earned by firm is shown by the area PCBA. Dear students, in this video, I had explained meaning and features of monopoly, price and output determination in short run and in long run under monopoly. Thank you.